Welcome to video 143 in series 3, and now I'll write the melee sound script. Okay, so I'll make a new script, melee sound. Okay, I won't need the start and update methods, and I will have two new methods, void play swing sound, and this will be called by animation, so called by animation, and this other one, void play strike sound. This will be listening to the event hit. It'll need a collision just as a dummy so it can subscribe to that event, so dummy collision whatever transform, and I'll just put this dummy transform. Okay, won't actually use them. Right, so for variables, private melee master, private transform my transform, public audio clip swing sound, public audio clip strike sound, public float swing sound volume. I'll just give it a default value of like 0.5, and public float swing strike sound volume. Alright, and I'll just give that a default value of like 0.5. Okay, set initial references, so my transform is equal to transform, and melee master is equal to get component melee master. Call that in on enable. So there we go, and I'll just say melee master dot event hit plus equal strike sound, so play strike sound, and I'll have the corresponding unsubscribe. Okay, here I'll just say if swing sound is not equal to null, audio source dot play clip at point. Which clip is that? It's the swing sound. Which position? My transform dot position will do, and the volume swing sound volume. Okay, I'll just copy all this and just swap the variables out. So this will be strike sound, and this here strike sound, yep, and strike sound volume. Okay, so that should be it. Let me jump back to Unity. Drop it in. I'll go to the animation for the crowbar, so I'll just select that. And just somewhere about here, I'll just add in an event marker and just put that to play swing sound. Okay, just as a placeholder sort of sound asset, go ahead and download this one. It's not really applicable, but at least something until you get some better sounds. Okay, so I'll just assign them. So the swing sound, I'll just put there /1, and this one, something like twang, I think it was. That's it. Yep. Alright. And let me just hit apply. Save, hit apply. There we go. Now when I play, yep, there will be the sounds. They're not really, it's not really applicable. This sounds pretty bad actually. But look, it'll do the job. At least I know it's all working, there's no issues, and that's all good. And it's pretty fun actually. Actually, what I'm supposed to do, like any sensible sort of way to play, is you're supposed to run forward, hit, run back. You know, that's the traditional way of this sort of melee stuff. Okay, well, that's pretty much it. So this is chapter 8, I think, pretty much done. I don't think there's anything more that I need to cover for Melee. And unless you guys can think of anything that I really should be covering. But let me just make sure. Yeah, okay, that was just for no good reason. But otherwise, I think that's pretty much it. I think chapter 8 is done. And, well, I guess I'll see you later in future chapters. Anyway, thanks for watching.